Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will complete our auth application and we will create a middleware and we will allow only those routes which are required after login. Let's create a middleware in our application and here we will allow only few pages. And we will go to our page.js and we will copy the code from here because we don't have any dashboard, so we will create a folder in app named dashboard. And a file page.js. We don't need this code, so we will remove all the lines. And we don't need these import lines. And we will remove these class also. So here is our dashboard. We can see this dashboard because we are already logged in. Now we have to create a logout method so we can check these routes. And here in the application from inspect you can see all the local storage and session storage variables. Let's add another page. We will add home page as accessible after login. Let's create a component of logout button. So we will import sign out from next.js React and we will simply create a button with on click sign out. Now we will add this button to our dashboard. So here is logout. When we will click this, we are logout, and when we try to access home page or dashboard, we are not able to access those pages. So it is working, the middleware is working fine. We will push to dashboard after login. So when we log out and when we log in, so it will redirect us to dashboard. In our route.js, we will add these callbacks to add our token to other pages. So we will call this JWT method and then a session method which will return session token and user. Now let's create a providers folder and a file auth provider which will render page only if we are login and session is created and JW token is verified. So it will show children only after JW token is verified. And we will call this auth provider in our layout.js. We will import this and where we have these children, so we will write a condition that these children will only render if the user has session with JWT verified token. Here I completed the layout of pages. Here is our new sign in page, and after sign in we can see the dashboard. If you want to check out more lessons like this, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, please leave it in comments section. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.